This fog. Hello there. The weather outside is like this, and it's 2 degrees above the freezing, so it's time to turn on my heating floor, because inside is about 14 degrees, I think. Yeah, 14 degrees Celsius. So let's see how this works and how fast it can get warm here. Okay, let's see how we do that. Whoa, that's how cold is here. Air, I don't know how this works actually, but I'm gonna find out. So now I need to wait and see. And now I need to edit the video. Let's do this! Oh yes, I can feel the difference. I just turned on this one that is from kitchen and the half of the living room. Because this, where it goes into the hallway, it wasn't that long ago that I tiled, so I really need a little bit more weight for the glue to get really dry. But yeah, it's working! Wow, look at that! The sun finally came out, but before I get out to arranging some dirt, I wanna do one thing first. Changing these 2 valves with this. So it's gonna be ready once I get the sink and the cabinets and that stuff. So I already turned off the water downstairs, and let's see if this is gonna be any easier than it was the last time. Oh, nope, guess not. So, I think this is the right direction. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, lefty loosey. Oh, this one. Why is this so hard? I don't know why is this so hard to do. Do any have some suggestion how you do this more easy way? Oh wow, I think I got one. This is just something weird I put together. But yes, oh yes, it's turning, very good. Any water? Oh, nice. Oops. I got one. Why is this so rusty? So I use this. Let's put this on this. Voila! And I learned I need to put a lot of this on. One done, one more. But I have a feeling that I need to put this even more, and I put it a lot. Yes! It's turned! Oh yes! Finally! Oh, I did it! Damn, I think I need just to do tuck 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 and trying something and then finally give up. Give up, and then finally give up. And I win! Yay! Although I don't understand why is this so rusty. This is new. This one was better when I'm doing here for toilet. I did it. I got 4 more of these. I'm not gonna even put this on because it doesn't matter here anyway. It's gonna be hidden in the cabinet, and this is not hide anything, so. Look how much of this I already put on, and it still then feels not enough. Can you see this bunk? How much of this I put on? Let me know if this is too much or too little. This one feels so much better. I don't know. Should I do this again? Put more of this white on? Oh, this is not bad. Okay, I'm gonna try with this again. So now I got a pretty big bunk here. Look at that. I think that's much better. And why I got those like this and not up? Because the sink will be a little bit here, not on the middle of this. So that's the pipe is going like that. Now I can come down and turn on the water, but look at that. I was doing that long that the sun it's already disappeared. I wanted to go out and do something outside on the sun, but there is no sun anymore. Here we got. I'm going up to see if it's okay. Are there any leaks? I guess not, of course not. Okay, this looks okay. Let's check. Oh yes. Yep, there's the water. Ooh, water. Great. I got water here. Well, maybe instead of going outside, I can do these two. This could take me so fast or so long, because I never know how difficult it would be to turn that valve. Okay, let's just try fast if it goes. Otherwise, I'm gonna do this some other day. Now I already know which direction is the right one. Oops. Oh yes, I did it. I got them. I guess I'm gonna do those two. Yes, they're turning, the boat. Both. So, let's do the magic. Ta-da! Now I got only 2 of these in the shower. But no, not today, because they're different. I need to install all the shower. They're not that kind of valve that I can close this and open. It's different. I need to put all shower stuff pipe on. So that's for some other time. Oh yes. One more stuff. Check. And you know what's the best part? My ass is warm. Oh. Heating, flooring. Heating, flooring. Ooh. Well, I think you can all see these messy windows. So, I'm gonna do that. Clean them. So I get the better, cleaner, nicer view to that beauty. Okay, I'm in the store. Let's go and try to find some diamond drills or drills for tiles. So I hope that my drilling in tiles makes easier. This one looks like for tiles. I think I found it. Well, I got this now, and I hope my drilling in tiles will make this much more easier and faster. So we'll see. Now let's go home, but first let's go in a grocery store, then home, and try to install the shower. Grocery done. Well, I'm back, and I got one thing to pump. No, what is that? I don't know. So I'm gonna try to fill the bowl for sitting. And I do never know when I'm using this stuff in my car. Should the car be on or not? Is it need to be on or not? I always turn it on because that's how I know that it's working. But I never try without turning on. Oh, actually it's not working, because otherwise it would be start working right now. So I need to turn on the car. Let's try again. Oh yes, now it's working. This is gonna take some time. Well, this is getting so slow, so I might just blow in. I think this is going faster than with that pump and car. Well, now on the end is hard. But nothing that my lungs can't take it. Haha. I think it's almost filled. Maybe a little bit more, so it's more harder. I think it's just fine. Now this is the tricky one. Ooh, ooh, wow! Look at that! Oh yes! I got my gym ball. I got my sitting ball. Now let's take this upstairs. Ooh, whoops! I think we need to go around. Haha! Whoa! This can be my gym now. Ooh! Oh man, I need to pee. No, this is like for here. This is going there. Like this. Oh yeah. Done! I got this shower for a few months now, waiting here, so now it's time. Okay, let's find what I got here, and if I got everything necessary that I need to install this shower. Whoa! That's it. This beautiful thing. Instructions. Oh boy. What's in this box? Oh, of course! Rain shower! Now I need to install all of this. That's gonna be interesting if I can do this. why not? I wouldn't do this. I got instructions. I got the drill for tiles now. I can do this. I got skills. Of course I can do this. I got attitude. Oh boy, I hope I can do this. Well, I'm gonna try. Okay, first I need to study this. Sit here and read. Alrighty. Okay, the water is off. Now, let's try to turn these valves out. But, oh, first time! Oh, look at that! Oh man, yes! I hope this one is going that easily. Now I do so many of those that I kind of found the technique. I think, oh yes! Look at that so easily! Oh, thank you. Yes. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's still so much growth on these tiles. Oh man. Oh, I like it. Why is this inside different than this? Now you know the drill. Putting this white tape on this. If I turn it like that, then I need to put this. Does that even matter in which way you turn this white tape? Okay, the second one, done. Now they need to be exactly this distance and also in level. Oh. Well, I think this is the best that I can get. It's so hard to get in level and the right distance. So maybe it's okay if it's not completely level, so the water can come down. Yes. So let's try to put on. Man, so much grout here. Look at that. Now it's the drilling time. Oh, did I move? No, don't move. Now let's first try with this tiny one. Now I got the right drill for this. 4 tiles. I need both hands. Well, this is definitely moving so much faster. I like it. Well, that was so much easier and faster. And I used this little one machine. And it worked. I like this drill. Oh no! No! Oh. Okay, it's okay. I can move it. Let's try again. Oh yes. Like a glove. Rain shower. Voila! I got the rain shower. these two, and I'm done. Voila! Now I just need to turn on the water and see if this is working. The water is on. Oh, I don't want to be wet. Where's it gonna come? Where's the water? Up there is water. How I do that? Now it's down there. Oh yes, I got water. I don't know how this works. Now is rain shower. I'm not understand this. I got 1, 2 and 3 different ways to get water out. One is in, one is out. And this one. I don't know how do I get water in this one. Oh, look at that. I found out. It's a silly thing. If I put this pipe here, then it's going through this. And if I put here, then it's going through the pipe. Now putting there, and it's going through this. Wow, okay, I got this. I got this! I got a shower! Cold shower for now. Now it's time to install the water heater downstairs. Oh, but not quite yet there. Some work to do, but not a lot. I just need to get a wheel inspired to do that. It gets so nice with these tiles. And this is what I like the most. And the rain shower, of course. Oh boy, yay! Tomorrow maybe I'm gonna get my closets for bedrooms, so I'm gonna do that. So now it's gonna be time to do the heating water, to install the heating water. So I don't know when I'm gonna do that. So I'm still not having a shower, but I'm having a cold shower. Yes! And I did it once again. Oh boy, this was really easy. That was the easiest of these valves, of these 7 valves that I started. This was the first one, the hardest one. Then when I continue further, each one was the easiest than before. Yeah. You know what I wanted to say? I get the shower, a cold shower. And I got the rain shower. Damn, it looks so beautiful. So now, sun came out. So I think I'm just gonna get out down there to the forest and then finish with this vlog and start with building a furniture for closets for bedroom. So see you, I guess, in the next one. Bye. There, into the forest. I need to train my dog to get to the camera. To the camera. Oh. This is enjoyment. What are you doing? She's sliding with the head. Yeah. Oh. Whoa, okay. Here we are in the forest. I think this mushroom will pop. Look at that. Oh, look at this. So much more of these mushrooms. What's this? Oh wow, where are we? Straight from the forest into something. I've never been here, and it's actually so close to my house. Oh wow, you can take this. This is free. Where am I? Wow, there are so many cows up there. I don't know if you can see, but now I at least know where we are. So, back to home, back to the forest. Water! Whoop. This is muddy. Mud, girl! Come on! This one's beautiful. Wow! What's this? Oh. It's not too cold, girl. I think it is. Shall we go? There's one more lake or pot or what's that? Swamp? Swamp. Of course. I hope it's okay she's swimming here. Almost there. Whoa. Home sweet home.